Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken, and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and we're getting ready to remove the excess top material above the arm contour on the Deacon copy. Alright, at this point I'm gonna cut away from recording what I'm doing. It's because this is boring as hell to watch, and we'll be back when I've made some headway. Okay? Well, we're down almost to where we need to be. Getting really close to being able to sand on the same angle as the first piece of the contour. Looking good. Alright, here we are. It's looking pretty good. Could use a little more sanding in the top section over in here. Doesn't look too bad. It's a little more noticeable than I had actually hoped it would be, but this guitar is going to be getting a black burst around the outside anyway, so it should hide that pretty good. It's pretty good. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. That's about 2 hours worth of sanding and scraping, and I'm done. So, we'll see you guys in the next video. Behave yourself. Peace.